morning everyone, respected sir. My name is Bhavna. Today I am presenting a speech on Independence Day. As we know, we are gathered here to celebrate the 75th year of Independence Day of the country. Today everyone from a part of our country to another is chanting slogan Jai Bharat Mata with great spirit and energy. It is indeed the spirit of freedom and love for the land. We all know this freedom is hardly earned. These are decades of sacrifices and struggle behind all of that. The land on which we breathe is thanks to the struggle of our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji, Nehru ji and Subhash Chandra Bose and others. Freedom is a gift. It is the gift of sacrifices, sleepless night, tortures and struggle did by our freedom fighters. History is a chapter. It tells us about the sacrifices of our freedom fighter for this country. This freedom earns itself to the struggle of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He stood like a rock for the rights of people. He was imprisoned several times. The freedom earns itself to our great leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He never compromised the struggle of our rights for the people. He sacrificed each and everything and supported the cause of independence. And this independence earned itself much to the sacrifices of our other leaders Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rao and Bhagat Singh. In British India, we all were under chains. Our rights were compromised. We felt suffocated. Our social, political and economic conditions were very bad. And in the end, it was not an honor for the Indian to live under the slavery of foreign forces. Slavery is a curse. How can you see it around the world? What is the situation of those nations who are still slaves today? So we should thankful to our leader who gives us freedom. We are gathered here today not only to chant slogan and do formalities. Our land needs us more than anything. We have to fulfill the promise that have been doing with our land. No doubt we are a free land, but this free land is surrounding by a host of problems. We are facing many issues today like overpopulation, youth unemployment, poverty, underdevelopment of rural areas and many more. Apart from all of these problems, our country has many good things to offer. We are a nuclear power country. We have a large and brave army. Our borders are protected and enemies fear us. We are the world's largest democracy of free and happy people. Being a youth, we are the future of our nation for tomorrow. We need to look at the problems and find solution immediately. We have to united nation. As our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji said, the future depends on what we do in present. Therefore, we have to utilize our today for a better tomorrow. Thank you.